Hello.
Jumbo, wambo.
The Facebook has 300 views.
Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili or Nighttime Swahili with
Kababeli.
Kababeli 7.
Fresh Bro 7.
Fresh Bro 7.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go with
You
that.
lost a year?
No, Fresh Bro 11.
Alright, so we have one Fresh Bro who just lost a year and Fresh Bro 7 and myself. So again, welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili in less than 10 minutes. School nights is serious time, so we gotta get cranking, okay? Alright,
Yeah.
fresh kids at home, I hope you're ready. I hope you've been reviewing your words, so let's review some more words. Again, you have to keep doing the same thing over and over again to learn a new language, and then as you're learning, you start forming sentences and so on. Are we ready? I don't know what's going on with your whatevers, but I hope you're ready. Alright, Saba, I would rather you sit over here for me so that we can get this going. We have to finish this before 10 minutes. Deal? Good deal? Alright. Let's shout out for this video to Naima and Naima's sister, little sister. Habari zenyu. We hope you're listening, we hope you're enjoying, and we hope you're learning. Okay, so keep learning with us. Alright, let's go. What is again, we are going to be reviewing the word. What is buy? Sell.
Uza.
Borrow.
Kopa.
Pay.
Ripa.
Money.
Pesa.
Simple.
Rahisi.
Remain. Baki. Try.
Jaribu.
Good job. Common.
Kawaida.
Good job. Bring. Letter. Good job. Deliver. Peleka. Good job. Different.
Tofauti.
Good job. Same. Sawa. Really? Kweli. Good job. Forgive. Samehe. Good job. Close. Samahani. So it's close. Alright. What is mistake? Kosa. What is big?
Kubwa.
What's big? Kubwa. What is small or little? Ndogo. Tall.
Refu.
Short.
Fupi.
Strong.
What?
Try to say the words instead of singing them, sweetheart. Okay, what is strong again? Nguvu. Weak. Dhaifu. Good job. Very, very good. What is far?
Karibu.
Opposite. Good job. You will get the next one.
Mbali.
So far is Bali.
Mbali.
Near is?
Karibu.
You said it.
Karibu.
Good job. What's
Daddy.
Ali? What's
Mr.
Ali?
Did
a nice video.
What is Ali?
That from Jerry.
What is Ali? Ali?
Early.
Mapema.
Good job. What's
Ali.
late?
Kosa.
Huh?
Kosa.
No. Che.
Cheka.
Chekelea.
Chekea.
11 come
Cheleka.
closer.
Cheleka.
Telepipepi.
No, chele.
Chelewa.
Good job. What is a lot? Mingi. What is heat? Joto. What is cold? Baridi. What is need?
Solution.
Hitaji. Good job. What is solution?
I don't know.
Suluhisho. Good job. What is request? All right. What is change? What is change?
Changes.
Badilisha. All right. Like now we are gonna give you a couple of sentences. Like now, Fresh Bro 11 might want to tell mommy, Mama, ninunulie simu.
Yeah.
Okay? Sit up and tell us that sentence.
I need a new
So,
one.
mama tafadhali.
I need a new one.
Say, mama tafadhali ninunulie si.
How do you say, Mama, I need a new one?
Mama,
Nataka simu
tafadhali.
mpya.
Mama,
Nataka
tafadhali.
simu.
Okay,
Mommy.
so,
Mommy,
uh-huh,
tafadhali
uh-huh,
ni nunu
iPad.
uh-huh.
Migrate
Nunulie.
Fafnir.
So you say, good job.
He
You
said
say
migrate
ninunulie.
Fafnir.
Ninunulie.
Uh-huh.
Beyblade.
Yeah, baby.
Beyblade.
Beyblade. Okay, so again, you see, we changed the word nunua to nunulie, meaning buy for me. Okay. All right. And what about if you want some money? Like say, after we do this video, you want to make some money. You can tell me, Mama, nataka,
Baba. Nawana.
nataka.
Na Roho Mtakatifu.
Wacha kucheza kanisa.
Amina.
You can say what?
Amina.
You can say what? If you wanted to tell mommy to pay you for doing this video, you would say tafadhali.
That.
I told-
you're gonna say.
I told you to pay us for the next video.
Yeah, so
Pesa.
ni-
I'm tafadhali ni ripa.
Vipe. Good job.
Ripe.
Mhm. Pe?
Video.
Pe?
Pesa ku video.
Juu ya video.
Juu ya
Good
video.
job. Good job. Umejaribu
did a
sana.
nice
Come back in the video,
Wait,
sweetheart.
what? Baby?
Come back in the video.
I need help.
We need a nice video.
We need a nice video.
We need a nice
We need a nice video.
All right. All right, can we stay focused so that we can? I want us to see if we can end this before it says 8. So like now, Fresh Bro 11 amejaribu kuform sentence, amejaribu sana, okay?
Right,
Now, Fresh Bro
fresh bro.
7, you can
Yeah.
say I like hiyo bei ni kubwa au ni ndogo? My great family au something.
It's heavy.
So
Not that heavy.
not that heavy. Okay, so none of those. Is it strong?
Yeah.
So you can say my great Fafnia iko na nguvu sana.
Sana.
My great Fafnir ni nguvu sana.
Alright. Which bay is weak? Which bay is weak?
What is it called? Wonder Valkyria.
Okay, so you can say Wanda Vatriac is
That
Weird.
Yufu.
the Ifu. Alright, stay in the video for me.
Stamina very quickly.
Stay in the video
because it has
for
a
me.
Flat bottom.
Alright, na mmefanya kazi nzuri sana. You've done a great job. So with that, we are going to wrap it up again. School night.
Wrap it
Let's go. Thank you. Subscribe.
Hit the like button.
Again, look out for our new book very soon. We'll be when it's there.
Wrap it up.
Asanteni sana. Kwaheri.
Asanteni sana.
Yo, you say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hit
Now
the
you
like
say hit the
button.
and then I say subscribe again. Yeah.
Hit the like button. Notifications.
Alright. Thank you.